Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are bringing you a unique and filling breakfast snack, Egg Aloo Nashta. It's crispy on the outside and filled with a soft potato and egg surprise inside. Let's get started. Start with 1 cup flour or Maida. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now pour in 1/3 cup water gradually. Make a soft dough and keep it aside. Now making the potato filling. Take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon cumin. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Take small portion from the dough. Roll them out. And cut into round shapes. Take some potato stuffing, then gently place a slice of boiled egg on top. Cover the egg with more potato mixture. Make cut mark on the dough and fold as shown. Keep the dough soft but not sticky for easier folding. Slice boiled eggs evenly for a balanced bite. Chill the stuffed rolls before frying for cleaner shape. Take 1/4 cup flour and mix with half cup water to make a smooth slurry. Potatoes provide fiber and energy, great for breakfast. Eggs are packed with protein and essential vitamins. Dip half of each prepared piece into the slurry, then coat with breadcrumbs. Now heat oil on medium-low heat. Fry on medium-low heat to cook evenly and avoid burning. Fry for 7 to 8 minutes until golden and crispy. Homemade snacks mean you control the oil and seasoning. Add extra veggies in the stuffing for more nutrients. Would you try this at home for breakfast? Tell us. How do you like your eggs in snacks? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes. Serve hot and enjoy. These snacks bring together two classic breakfast favorites, eggs and potatoes. Aloo and eggs are a popular combo in street food across South Asia. You can shape and stuff this in many creative ways. That was our easy and tasty Egg Aloo Nashta, perfect for a filling start to your day or a hearty snack anytime. Thanks for joining us here at Enoven Foods. We'll be back soon with more creative recipes from your kitchen to your heart. Thanks for joining us here at Enoven Foods.